They say if your car flips over in an accident, and it just so happens to be equipped with an ejector seat, you might be able to hit the button and use the explosive force to flip the car back upright. In fact, James Bond once tried exactly that in one of the 007 movies. To see if this idea could actually work, Tori decided to borrow the director's prized car without telling him, and secretly modify it for an experiment. First, he cut a panoramic sunroof into the top so the ejector seat could fire upward. Then he removed the front seats entirely and installed rocket rails behind where the seat would go. He also placed a steel plate underneath to protect the car's underside from rocket flames and to keep the weight distribution similar to what we saw in the movie. Next, Tori attached 4 rocket brackets to a custom-made seat, mounted it securely in place. The rear wheels were then positioned inside the rail system, ensuring the rockets would fire straight and not veer off track. But could rockets really flip a car back over? To find out, they headed to the test site. Before launching the actual vehicle, they needed to test how much thrust it would take to eject a person. Since no one volunteered to be a test dummy, Grant politely introduced a crash dummy, dressed him in a classic spy suit, and strapped him in. They started with 4 rockets, each capable of producing 900 newtons of thrust. Once everything was set up, the team took cover in a safe house. Sure enough, the dummy was launched cleanly to the ideal height. However, the inside of the car was completely engulfed in rocket exhaust. So unless Bond's tux was fireproof, he would have been roasted alive. Now the real question is, can the rocket power actually flip the car back over?